In this video, I will show you how to model an external tooth lock washer step by step in SolidWorks. This video is divided into two sections. First, I'll give you a quick step by step on how to make an external tooth lock washer, then we'll move to uncut section so you can follow along in the real time. First, create a new part and start sketch on the front plane. Next, draw 3 circles that will act as the base outlines for the washer. Then apply dimension to all 3 circles to define their exact size. After that, convert the outmost circles to construction line. Now let's bring the 2D sketch into 3D. Use extrude feature, set the direction to midplane and enter the thickness of 0.55 mm. Before sketching further, change the view style to hidden lines remove, to make it easier to focus on the sketch. Create a center line starting from the origin. Then draw a circle that collinear with the middle circle of the base sketch. Now draw another circle and give it diameter of 12.2 mm. Next, add the horizontal center line from the tip of the previous center line outward to the outer circle. Then add 2 angle center lines to define the size of the tooth profile. Make these 3 center lines symmetric to keep the tooth profile balanced. Now apply a dimension for the angle between the center lines to control the tooth spacing. Draw a new center line that intersects the left angle center line and the base circle. Create a horizontal line that touches the circle and intersects the vertical center line. This defines the base of the tooth. Make sure both slanted lines you drew have the same length by applying a equal relation. Now sketch the 2 slanted tooth profile lines that connect your base and top edges. Use trim to remove any unnecessary sketch lines so you left with a clean tooth profile. Extrude the tooth profile to turn it into a 3D feature. Now use the circle and pattern tool, select your SS1 as the direction and replicate the tooth all around the washer. And finally, apply a material to the external tooth lock washer. Alright, now let's move on to the uncut section so you can follow along in the real time.